Welcome to the in front of me NUBIA Red Magic 5S, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first you should go into this Play Store application, and then here in the search bar enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we have to get this application, so stop to install and wait a couple of seconds while the application downloading and installing on your device. After that, just click here to open and tap enable in settings. Now just near the green Apple keyboard, click once on the swatcher, then click OK, again OK, then go back. Here tap to the swatch input method and swatch your keyboard to the green Apple keyboard, and now this process is finished. And as can you see, we should go somewhere when we'll see the look of new keyboard, and now you can see that our keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of these emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.